Imagine the health consequences and impact living in proximity to the low frequency molecular vibration coming off of this. %90 of the noise goes up. This is the only spot where you can get to hum 24/7, day or night. The North Country is contaminated. Until this is shut down permanently, there will be high rates of cancer. At 150 miles, Syracuse, there's a lot of blood cancer. I've been to Lafayette, that's 20 miles beyond there, and it's there too. Fletcher Allen Hospital, contaminated with this noise. Human vibration meter test conducted in my home and at Fletcher Allen Hospital in Vermont prove the contamination goes that far or farther without weakening. Molecular vibration, very loud pressure wave.